Hey there TRW crew, Matt Vassallo here with the RhinestoneWorld.com, and this is tutorial number 251 for the TRW Design Wizard version 3.0, the Mockup Tab 3.08 tester. So we're just releasing our first version of the Mockup Tab here. So I'm in my 3.08 as you can see here, and we just have some very basic mockups to start off with right now for our first release. And I'm going to show you how a few of these work, okay? So I have two different designs here. I have the I'm on beach time and I have the living the beach life. And you can't see the living right here because right now it's just another color. So you can see right there with the sand dollar and the starfish. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to change these back to crystal stones. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how the mockups are going to work in the version 3 and give you an idea. Now again, this is a basic version right here. This is our first release of it. So we will be adding more templates and we will be adding some different product, and the layout of it may be a little bit different, but this is going to get you started to kind of give you an idea of where we're going with it. All right. So first thing I want to do is I want to choose my template. Okay. You can see it's going to give you a little image over here. So if I just wanted a single product basic, it's going to show what it looks like. If I did a single shirt proof sheet, it's going to show us what that looks like. So I'm going to do a single product basic off the start. Now, one of the first things you'll want to do before you start picking your templates is save all of your information. So you're going to see right over here this little pencil. When you click on that pencil, it's going to bring you to a lot of different information here. You can see I have one saved already. Okay, so I can see TRW logo, I got my watermark, I got my transparency for the watermark, I got my logo, where it's pulling the logo from for the path. I have my website address, my phone number, my email, my street address, and my city and zip code. So a lot of new information, as you can see in the 3.0 here, that it's going to be able to put on different things. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit save. Once I entered all that information, it'll pull back up my 3.08. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose, this one's pretty cool. I'll show you a sample of the single shirt order form. So I'm going to click on single shirt order form. Okay, and you can see it has two different shirts on it. I can go front, back, or I can go two front designs as well if I want. And I'll show you how that works real quick. So, template placeholders. So I'm going to click on that, shirt front, and then these are going to open up for me. What shirt do I want? I want a women's shirt, and I want it to go on a, let's say the first one I want to do is a tank top, and I want a front design. So I'm going to hit Save Product. Now I'm going to go down to the next one, design front. What design do I want to go on that tank top? I want this design right here. So I just highlight the design and I hit Save Design. And it says design has been saved at the bottom. Let's go down to the next step. Shirt front background color. And it turns green what you're actually changing over there. So it gives you a little reference. So what do I want to change my background color? I don't want to change the color at all. So I'm going to keep it what it is right now. Now I got my shirt back, or my second shirt. I'm going to do it as a second shirt. So I'm going to go women's. I'm going to go, let's go burnout shirt and a front design and hit Save Product. Come back here, design for the back or the second shirt. I want that design to be this one here, the Live in the Beach Life one. So I'm going to hit Save Design. And then I'm going to go product background color. I don't want to change the background color again, so I'm good with that. So once I'm all ready, I'm going to choose my TRW logo. I want it to add my logo, and then I'm going to click on Create Mockup. It's going to run through it, and bam, there we go. That's completely done. Now, the reason why I wanted my backgrounds to still be white is I might have wanted this to be a pink tank top or a yellow tank top. That looks pretty awesome. Maybe I wanted this one to be an aqua tank top or a blue tank top, yellow tank top, all different colors. I can change this to whatever I want. Maybe I want it to be a black dry fit shirt or a black burnout shirt with the white background. So what's really awesome about these is it drops your logo in there perfectly. It puts your address in there perfectly. You can put your own information here, okay? If you want to change the price of these shirts to $45, just double click and hit 4 for $45. And you can customize this sheet. If you want to change your order deadline to July 7th, you can put July 7th, 2015. All right, so all of these areas are completely customizable. It'll automatically put in your phone number right there, your email address right there, and your website right there. If you want to not accept checks and you want to do credit cards, double click there and I can go CC for a credit card. And now I can just space this cash out a little bit more. And now we have credit cards in there. So I can also move these boxes wherever I want. So all of this is completely customizable for you and your business. Now what you can also do is save this file one time with all of your detailed information in here and prices if you want, and then each time you pull it up, it'll be completely customized for you. So pretty awesome how, and then obviously I did a back design, but I used a front, so I can just delete both of those, and I have right here an order form with 2 different shirt styles. They're $45. My sizes, my quantity, my total. I can change this obviously right here to $45 because I changed the price of the shirt. But creating order forms like this would be an hour, 2-hour process before without the Wizard 3.08 and the mock-up features we're coming out with. So these are some very, very basic steps for what our mock-ups are going to be able to do, but we obviously wanted to get you something to be able to start using them and start seeing the benefits of what you can do with our mock-ups, because our goal is to get it to where you can do fundraisers and you can put 5 or 6 different shirt styles with different designs and it'll just drop them all in there perfectly for you. It's going to save you a lot of time, make your business a lot of money. So I go back to page 1, there's my original designs. So on this one, I want a single shirt proof sheet basic, okay? So I'm going proof sheet this time. And I'm going to do product description it's asking for. So for the description, I want the living the beach life rhinestone shirt design. So I'm going to hit save description. Then I'm going to go product background color. So you can see it varies depending on what template and everything you choose. It's always going to be a little bit different. I'll keep the product background color the same. What product do I want the design to go on? I want this one to go on a women's long sleeve shirt on the front. If I wanted to go on the back, we could do the back as well. I'm choosing the front, save product. And now what design do I want to go on to that long sleeve shirt? I want this one right here. I'm on beach time. So I can hit save for the design. Again, I changed it. I was going to do the other, so I would go back to my product description and change this. So instead of living the beach life, I'm on beach time, rhinestone shirt design, and save that description. So I can always go back and change it. Now I'm going to add my logo to it, come over here to create mockup. It's going to run through it for me, and check that out. There you go. So drops your logo in there, your phone number, your email address, your website, your actual mailing address, the name of the design. It'll put the design off to the side there. It'll put the shirt perfectly with the design perfect on it right there. Then you got your price quote, your quantity, your heat transfer vinyl colors, rhinestone colors, all this different information that you can put for your customers, additional notes for your customers, and then all of your customers' information, email address, and them signing off that they approve this proof sheet. So pretty awesome what we're going to be able to do with the TRW Stone Wizard version 3.0 and what you're going to be able to do with mock-ups for customers. So the basic version that we're releasing with the 3.08 will have a customer mock-up, a single product, a shirt proof sheet basic, and a single shirt order form. Now the order form does have the ability to do a front and back, and then also to do 2 front shirts as well. So hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments below what you think of the TRW Stone Wizard 3.0 and the mock-up updates, how easy they're going to be, how they're going to help your business. We like your feedback, and we're going to get some feedback. That's why we are in the stage 1 release of the Wizard 3.0. So your feedback is very valuable, and we will take that into consideration when we are adding on to the mock-ups here. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, make sure to give us a call. Number is 941-755-1696. This is Matt with the rhinestoneworld.com, and you guys all have a great